Hi, boys and girls. Today we will practice saying our sounds, reading our words and sentences, and writing our words. For this lesson, you will need a paper and pencil to write your words and sentences, or a whiteboard and dry erase marker. If you need more time to read your words and sentences or write your words and sentences, you can pause the video and you can play the video when you are ready to continue. Let's begin by saying our sounds. You will say the sound first, then we will say it together. Mm. Ah. B. T. J. I. P. K. G. Ah. Ooh. Uh. Ch. Mm. D. Eh. W. W. Now we will read words and sentences. If you need more time to read the word or sentence, you can pause the video. You will read the word or sentence, then you will hear me say, ready to check? Ready to check? W. Ag. Wag. He wags his tail. He wags his tail. You can see here that his tail is moving. Ready to check? W, in, win, w, in, win. Ready to check? She will win the game. She will win the game. Ready to check? W, ish, wish. Ready to check? I wish to swim with the fish. I wish to swim with the fish. Ready to check? W, ebb, web. Ready to check? It is a big web. It is a big web. Ready to check? Wet, wet. Ready to check? I am sad, sad and wet. I am sad and wet. Ready to check? If, with. Ready to check? I can go with my mom. Now we will write a word and then a sentence with the word. If you need more time to write, you can pause the video. Our first word is with, with, if, with. Ready to check? If, with. Our sentence is, we go shop with Dad. We go shop with Dad. Ready to check? We go shop with Dad. Your next word is wet. Wet. Ready to check? Wet. Wet. Your sentence is, it is wet. It is wet. Ready to check? It is wet. Your third word is wish. Wish. Ready to check? Wish. Wish. Your sentence is, he does wish for a dog. He does wish for a dog. Ready to check? He does wish for a dog. Your last word is win. Win. Ready to check? Win. Your last sentence is, they can win. They can win. Ready to check? They can win. Nice job, boys and girls. I'll see you next time.